Okay, so this is question 18 in test 5, section 2 of the official SAT study guide. So this problem is on page 642. And this is an average question. Whenever you see an average question, I want you to write down average, and I really truly do this on the test. Average equals sum of terms divided by number of terms. And that will help you out a lot on this particular problem. So let's read the problem. If the average arithmetic mean of x and y is k, which of the following is the average of x, y, and z? So one thing I want to point out is even if you have no idea really how to go about this problem, if you know this equation for average, then you should know that your final answer should have a certain number in the denominator. So it needs to have 3 in the denominator because you're asking for the average of 3 terms. So you can get rid of the answer choices that have 2 in the denominator. So this is a great example of a question where you should guess, even if you really don't fully comprehend what's going on. So let's see what we could do to be sure that we had the right answer. So first we have to set up that the average of x and y is k. So the average is k. They told us the average is k, and that is the sum of x plus y divided by the number of terms, which is 2. And then I like to put a 1 in the denominator because that helps me see what we should do next. We should cross multiply. So then we get that x plus y equals 2k. And then we just have to incorporate that information into the second part of the question, which says, what is the average of x, y, and z? So we know that the average is going to be the answer. So we're not going to have anything really to put in there. But we can add up the sum of the terms. It'd be really nice if they just had x plus y plus z on top, but unfortunately that's not in any of the answer choices. But we do know that x plus y is 2k. So the sum of the terms is going to be 2k plus z. And this actually gives us the answer because the only answer with 2k plus z in the numerator is a. And it is logical for 3 to be in the denominator because the number of terms will be 3. So then we have our answer in A.